with the run scripts. So if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel. Let us start without wasting our time. Go to UI policy. First control click on UI policy. It opens in new page. Before showing this run script, we'll start some slides. Based on that we can go some scenarios. See what is a UI policy. UI policy is scripts use the client side API to execute script logic based on whether the UI policy condition is true or false. This UI policy script to create a complex conditional checks or to take actions other than setting field attributes mandatory, read-only or visible. These scripting fields for UI policies are only visible in the advanced view. To enable the scripting fields, please select the run script option. Here in this slide we have option called as when you want to open any UI policy scripts, just first need to click on the new button for UI policy. Just click on the new button, then it shows a transcription option in the UI policies, right? So select the table name first. Select the table name. I'm selecting incident table. Short description. Provide some short description, right? So before selecting condition, let us see some slides, then we can understand what we are doing. So here when you go for run scripts, right, here in this run script, the script, when you select this run script, it shows like a two option, executive true, executive false, and we have a run script in UI type like desktop, mobile or service portal all. So the next slide is executive true executes when the UI policy condition test true, and executive false script executes when the UI policy condition test false. We want to write any script logic inside the on condition function, which is automatically inserted into scripting fields. This on condition function is called by the UI policy at runtime. At runtime only we can able to see this on condition function. We have a note for this one. The recursive false option must be selected for the execute if false script to run. Whenever you want to run this script, right, recursive false option must be selected for the execute if false script to run. Here in the execute false script to run, this part I want to run, then we can select this recursive false condition as select box, then this script execute if false can able to run. So this is the point we have mentioned here. Let us see the next slide. See, UI policy actions execute on all platforms. This platform is nothing but it can be executed in desktop, mobile and service portal and all. So this is the meaning of this slide, this one. So it can be executed on desktop, tablet, any platforms. So let us create small condition for executive true and executive false, how it works. Let us create a script on this one, small function. I mean writing some alert message. This condition, this block, right, this block is for testing true conditions. You can write some statements and come to this alert. This block is for testing false condition. Right. So whenever the form is loading, how it works we'll see. Just give the condition state equal to on hold. Save this. Here I have selected reverse if false. Let us see how it works. It was default. Whenever the UA policy is created, it is already selected here, reverse if policy option. Let us see. Right, this is the conditions we have seen. Alert message for this block is for testing true condition, this block is for testing false condition. Go to the form, incident form. Let us create a new form. See, I have given the false condition, right? So whenever it is running at runtime, whenever the form is loading, this block is showing like testing false condition. Click on OK button, and this block is running reverse if false. It is running at runtime, right? This condition, this statement we have seen. On condition function will be called by using a policy at runtime, right here. So this condition is running. Now the second option is whenever the state is on hold, what is showing? This block is for testing true condition, it is showing. So this is working fine. So these are the small example for execute if true, execute if false. What happens if execute if false condition, make it as unchecked in this UA policy. Go to your UA policy, when to apply here, reverse if false, unselect this one. Whether it is loading this statement or not, we can check this one. What's our statement? This false statement, this on condition, execute if false condition, it is working, giving false statement or not, we can see and check. Save it. Save it, and this we have selected, this we have unselected here, when to apply, right? Let us see, reload the form again. See, whenever the form is loading, this false statement is not executing because we made it as reverse if false. This false statement was not executed because we make it as reverse if false. And if you make it as reverse if false as true, then it shows the statement of this false condition, this false condition. Save it and again reload. After saving, just reload this form again. Reload this form. Whenever the form is loading, it has to give the false statement, false condition, right? It is working at runtime. Now new equal to on hold, this block is for testing true conditions, some message. It is working fine, right? This is the reverse if false statement, how it works, executing if true, execute if false. Next one is, let us go for next slide. And this one, I want to show the field message. So how we can go for field message? Suppose I have a form. In this form, I want to show the some message. This assigned to person having some names, right? These names are there. So I want to give a message or information for this field. So how it can be done? Whenever you are choosing this on hold, static or on hold, it has to give the message, information message for please select the proper name, assign this one for assign to. Let us do this one. Just make it as script, this one as a false, or comment these two lines. Let us see how it works. I have commented. We have a statement called as this one, this block of line of code g underscore form show field message assigned to is a field name, and this is a message and passing information, some info here. So g underscore form, write this script g underscore form dot show field message, give the proper field name assigned to, let us select this assigned to field value, assigned to here, comma, write the some message, please provide or select proper name, and passing some info. This is information message, just click it as and with semicolon. The same way, right, in the same way we'll see the executive false statement. First we'll see show field message, how it works. Just save it as this one. Let us see. Reload the form again. So I have given condition state is on hold. I have to give the message. What is the message I want to get? This one, show field message, right? So for this, which field I am getting, please provide or select proper name. For this, assign to field name. So whenever we are selecting on hold, right, it is showing please provide or select proper name. This how it works for this when you are selecting any condition, right? In the same way, I want to select disable this message. So what I can do is go to the slide. Here I have one more method called as hide field message. For this one, just take it as this one, copy and paste here, or we can g underscore form, you can write it as g underscore form dot hide field message. For this, which field I want to provide hiding, assigned to, comma, make it as true. What happens is, whenever this is executive true is appearing for this message, we can hide the message. For this, hide this one, assigned to field name, right? Save it. Save once again. And then let us reload this form again. See, select the state is equal to hello. This was please provide or select proper name, right? And this one resolved, it was disabled, disabled. So only whenever it is executing, if true, if this statement this on hold is true, in that time only it will be enabled. If execute other than this, hiding a message like this one, hiding a message, if execute if false. If it is true, it is providing a message. Execute if false, this execute if false is assigning true, means it is hiding the message here, right? And we have selected the when to apply this reverse if false, right? If it is true, it execute reverse if true, right? Reverse Execute if true, it is running as showing message. Execute if false, when you select this, reverse if false condition. Just unselect this one. What happens, we'll see. Save it. Let us reload this form again. If the condition is state equal to unknown, showing please provide or select proper name. Again select this. Again showing please provide or select proper name. Close. The same thing. In progress, the same thing. So to avoid this one, we use this. If executed true means we can make it as false by using this reverse if false condition. Now save it and check again. Let us reload this form again. Reload this one. Let us select on hold equal on hold. Please provide or select proper name. When you select other condition, it is not showing, right? When you select other condition, it is not showing. In this way, it can run as run scripts. If you select the reverse if false and using run script, this is the concept we can easily understand by using these things. And I have one more requirement, and for this we'll see. For this same form, let us do this one. Next one is this one, UA policy action. If the state is on hold, right? If you want to select the state is on hold, when you select the on hold reason, option type should be clear. So what we have to do is, we have option in the UI policy action, clear the field value, right? First let us go to PDI and see this one. If state is on hold, UA policy, click on create UA policy action here. See, in this I have selected the state is on hold, right? I want to select the field name. The field name is on hold reason. I want to select here on hold reason. On hold reason. This one. Here, go to the slide. If the state is like on hold, or we will get on hold reason, right? We will see the option types here, right? So let us go to UA policy action. Here I'll make it as mandatory to visible, right? So save it. There are multiple UA policy with the same order for this field. Their run order is not predictable. Okay, go to your UA policy list. Say this UA policy we have created, right? This one I want to make it as, here go to UA policy, just order number you can change this one, like 231 and save it. Now go to your slide, just make it as same. Now it was saved. So go to your form, we'll see how it works. I'm not selecting this clear the field value. Let us see how it works. Now load this form again. What is happening here is when you want to open this, on hold is showing on hold reason, right here. Select the on hold reason color. Now next I want to select the state equal to resolved. What happens? On hold reason not there. On hold reason is not there. Again I want to select the on hold reason. It is same, showing like same awaiting color. Again I want to select the on hold reason is awaiting change. Again you can make it as resolved. It is not there. Then on hold reason. This awaiting change I want to clear whenever you want to select the on hold reason, right? This one. So for this reason I want to clear the field value for this using clear the field value. Select this one, save. Now go to your form, again reload this one. Previously it was whatever the on hold reason you are selecting, it is there, right? So now when you select this field value, clear the field value, we'll see what happens when state equal to on hold, right? So what is happening? It is clearing the previous value. Again save it and it will be, or you can reload from this one. On hold reason, it is clearing the previous value, right? It is clearing the previous value. If you want, if you are using this, clear the field value. If you uncheck this field value, what happens? See here, let's reload this form. When you select the on hold reason, right? See, again we want to select the result. Again come back to on hold. The same reloading should happen. Save this one. Okay, again reload this form. Let us see. Right, on hold reason, select the awaiting change, resolved. Again on hold reason, awaiting change. For this I want to clear the value whenever you are selecting on hold as on hold reason as awaiting change. So then we can use this checkbox as clear the field value. Then it shows as a none whenever you want to select this on hold reason awaiting change. The values which are option which are available in this will not be there. It shows as a none. So now reload this form again. Let's see. We have select the checkbox clear the values, right? So on hold reason, on hold. Again select some value. Again change the values. Again go back to on hold reason. This I want to clear on hold. See, whenever you are reloading the form, the value is not there, right? In this, whenever you are reloading this form, the value is not appearing here. If you make it as uncheck box, let us see, the value will be, reload this form again. The value will be there if you are selecting this as awaiting caller or any change or anything, the value will be present. So for this on hold awaiting change, this value I want to clear. So save it, or I want to give this test. there when you save it, right? So when you check this player value field value box, let us change it to reload this form again. When you select progress on hold is all on hold, should be clear. Just reload this form again or save it again. On hold. It should be clear. On hold is done. When you select this, let me save this one again. See, reload this form when the state is on hold, right? So it is giving a none option here. It was the previous value has been gone. In this way, this clear the field value works. And that's all from me. Please subscribe my channel.